Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering why we're outside and why there's a chair with a hole in it. And that's because today I want to fix this chair, and I actually broke it with a baseball when I was practicing. Okay, and so I guess that's all, and we're gonna start. But before you do that, remember to subscribe and like and all those other things like ringing the bell. But let's get started. Okay guys, I think we're done here, and thank you so much for watching, and remember to break that subscribe, like, and bell. I don't know because I don't have my script here with me, but also please make this video go viral. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.